Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking the content. Make sure your slides, fonts, and linked media are embedded so the recipient sees the same thing. Once done, export immediately using the format the viewer needs: PDF for universal viewing, PPTX for PowerPoint edits, or Keynote to preserve animations. Make sure to select resolution and include presenter notes if you want speaking cues. If the package is large, compress images and media. That reduces upload time and avoids email delivery limits. Next, pick the fastest reliable delivery channel based on file size and recipient workflow. For smaller files, attach directly to email and state the format. For larger presentations, upload to cloud storage and copy a share link, making sure you set view or edit permissions. If both of you are nearby, AirDrop is immediate and preserves file type. Always label the file clearly and include version and date in the message so the recipient knows which copy to open. Finally, send the file and follow up to confirm the recipient can open it. Tell them which app to use and mention any passwords. Once they open it, ask for quick confirmation or a screenshot to verify layout and fonts. If they report problems, act fast. Resend as a universally compatible PDF or compress the original into a zip archive and share a fresh link. One key troubleshooting tip: when animations or fonts break, export slides as high-quality images to preserve appearance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.